How to post stories on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to use TikTok to post different stories, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, head over to Play Store, tap on it and search for TikTok. Make sure you have updated the TikTok app to the latest version. If not, tap on update. Now that this is done, TikTok will be launched and make sure it is on its latest version. After that, tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then tap on the plus icon, which is on your profile picture. This will ask you different permissions for the application, and once that is done, select the video that you want to add to story, or you can record it as well. Now that you have added a video or photo to the TikTok story, you can tap on your story to upload it. Once that is done, you can tap on the music like icon to select any commercial sound that you want to use. Now that the story is added, there are different options that you can do with the story. The very first one is check the views, save the photo, head over to content disclosure, or delete the story. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.